Hello and welcome to this quick video introduction. I'm Coach Manny and I've been sending you some emails on sales and on leadership. I hope you've had a chance to enjoy them and I hope they have helped you in building your business. A few simple questions I just want to put out there for you today just to think about. And here they are. Are your sales where you want them? I help companies to rebuild their sales process so it generates more business, more of the right business, and can move you and your business to the next level. Is your leadership team in place, and are they the right people? Someone long ago said, we have to put the right players on the bus. Sometimes those who got us here are not those who can take us to the next level. Are you growing the company the way you want? Are you moving towards your vision? Is this what gets you excited every day? Are you going there? Is it time for us to have a 15-minute conversation on the phone? Just look at the email below. Just click on the link to schedule a 15-minute call, and then we can both learn more about each other and see if there's some ways I might be able to help you grow your company. I look forward to talking with you. Have a great day.